to get a quicker route. Now you probably see me living with a smile. Was about to throw in the towel until I figured it out. Cause nothing about the cloud, it's all about who you with. Only rock with my clique and everyone in the crowd.
Get your mind numb, time to fly, I'm tiresome. I'm losing fights with myself.
I'm feeling trapped in here.
Suicidal thoughts, time to finalize my plots. Abusing all of my will.
Feeling like you're trapped in hell.
Get your mind numb, time to fly, I'm tiresome. I'm winning fights with myself.
I'm feeling trapped in here.
Suicidal thoughts, fuck that, it's time to plot. Too much love for myself. Now I'm crawling out of hell. Say shit, I ain't had to take a L yet. Getting jiggy with it, Will Smith. But your woman want a real dick. Fucking you and she don't feel shit. Yeah, ain't nothing, I just had to say something. Stay for it, one day you gon' end up in the grave from a roll another one, a cookie and a bake something. Somebody turn the bass up and I ain't gotta change nothing. Bitch, I been dope, sharp like Ginsu. Mean motherfucker and all my kinfolk. Hoes I pimp those, flow I kick those. Sick I spit so, suck my dick hoe. Shining underneath the stage lights. Aight, and my bitches pussy stay tight. Aight, and we need a family and I. Right, better be a magic samurai. Hi, yeah. You can call me a low life, I'ma still go get paid. I'ma get paid. Blood smoke in a cold night, you ain't tryna run no fade. Lunatic in my soul, right? Don't you ever come my way. Or I'ma have to dig another hole. Like this is where your body gon' stay.
You call me a low life, but your perception of me really isn't important to what I am. I've been a lunatic, understand. Got a lot of responsibilities, kill them all I think I can. I've been really thinking if I did away with everybody all up in the way, I could run game like a marathon. Let me carry on like a free bird till the C word on the D head. Call me out of my name again, and I beat them in a bad like overcast. But you won't last in the bad side, die fast. I'm a killer with an attitude and an axe that'll spot a dude. Tell me who to bring the battle to.
Pull up, all I ever says pull up. And when you pull up, the motherfuckers wanna spill up. Blood full of wise, why not? You know, got to them block, cause they said that you said what I want. So you can ask my mom to my pops. And I didn't think you care what I thought. You said to bring it in the broad. Yeah, 50 people sitting on your lawn. Yeah, should've just left us alone. Yeah, now you bitches can't leave it out. Yeah, think you really understand? I got a people that you're bringing out the evil in. Maybe you'll believe it when the demon's standing on your ceiling, swinging like a ceiling fan. You ain't feeling what I'm feeling, fan. Believe me, you couldn't handle what I'm dealing with. So quit thugging on the internet before I put an end to you quicker than a cigarette. You can call me a low life, I'ma still go get paid. I'ma get paid. Blood smoke in a cold night, you ain't tryna run no fade. Lunatic in my soul, right? Don't you ever come my way, or I'ma have to dig another hole. Like this is where your body gon' stay. Don't you know you're fucking with your life? Heard you talking shit about the crew. Stab a motherfucker with a knife. Let a hater know we coming through. What you calling me a low life? Oh, don't you know all I ever do is level up? I'm gonna see my light shine bright though. Might go take a fucking blade and make a cut. And I'm gonna get paid. Coming to your aid, living in a motherfucking cave. If you woke up today and you still got your face, mean you didn't catch a motherfucking fade. No way. Let some
How'd you know? You stupid dog.